Welcome to Dr. Ganta Butra's Public Awareness Series.
Hello friends, how important it is to keep photos of tablets which you take in your mobile. A short story. A 25-year-old diamond worker was brought by his parents to me. The person was drowsy and his father said mostly he has got fits. I said, how can you tell that he has got fits? He said whenever he does night shift he gets convulsions, and so we felt. Now last 10 11 months or 1 year he didn't have. What medicines he is taking, whether he has forgotten the medicines. He said no, he is very regular with his medicines. He never forgets the medicine. Okay, where is the prescription, where is the file? They said we have not bought prescription or file just because we were under such a tension and we just rushed it here. I said, okay, have you got photos of the tablets which you take in a mobile? They said, no, we don't have the photos also. I said, then it will be difficult for me to adjust the tablets or I have to go from scratch. They said, no. His father told me, I will go and bring the file. I said, okay, don't bring just file, bring the tablets also. He said, okay, I am coming with. He came with the tablets as well as file. The prescription, I have written 2 medicines. 1 tablet 2 times a day and 1 at night. And there was a patient had only 1 tablet with him. He was taking 1 at night. I just asked, you are taking only 1 tablet? I prescribed 3. He said, yes. The patient was feeling drowsy, he has to do a shift duty, so we just took this one and he's quite fine with it. But that tablet which he was taking was a tablet for migraine, headache. And actually so many of the migraine medicines help in the seizures also, and with that small dose also his seizures were controlled but not completely. That is why he got the attack. So anyway, I adjusted the dosage, the problem might have been solved. This is just a 3 days back story. Now, what I want to tell is, just keep the photos of the tablets you take in a mobile. Not this way. It has to be this way. The person can read the name of the drugs on the tablet. Sometimes you bring prescription to the doctor, but sometimes you don't follow that prescription. And many times the doctors write the trade name, and that is natural. And each and every doctor need not have to know all the trade names available in the world for the same tablet. So best thing is the photo should be like that. Now, one more thing. These photos are not replacement for file. Whenever you go to a planned visit to a doctor, take your reports, take your files, take your tablets physically with you. And don't stop suddenly any medicines unless you consult the doctor. You got it? And second thing, don't think that these mobile photos are a replacement for it. Mobile photos are a rescue thing. It is of greatest support in emergencies. If you are out of city, you have forgotten the tablets, at that time it is going to definitely help you. So thank you. Keep the photos in the mobile, not only yours but even to your parents, guardians or somebody else. So if you don't have, somebody else can send you. Thank you.